Tally Prime offers features for managing manufacturing operations through its manufacturing voucher types. These vouchers help you track the production process, raw materials used, labor costs, and finished goods. Here is an overview of how manufacturing can be handled in Tally Prime. Enable manufacturing features. Before you start using manufacturing features in Tally Prime, make sure the manufacturing module is enabled. You can enable it in the company's F11 features settings. Create Bill of Materials, BOM. A Bill of Materials, BOM, is a list of components and quantities required to manufacture a finished product. You need to create a BOM for each product you manufacture. To create a BOM, go to Inventory in the main menu. Select Bill of Materials and then choose Create. Specify the finished product, components, and their quantities. Manufacturing Journal Voucher. The manufacturing journal is used to record the production process. It helps you consume raw materials and produce finished goods. To create a manufacturing journal, go to Vouchers in the main menu. Select Create under Manufacturing Journal. Enter the date, reference, and other relevant details. Choose the finished product you are manufacturing. Enter the quantities produced for each product. Tally will automatically consume raw materials based on the BOM you have defined. Cost tracking. Tally Prime allows you to track the costs associated with manufacturing, including raw material costs, labor costs, overheads, etc. This helps in understanding the overall cost of production. Work in Progress, WIP, tracking. Tally Prime can help you track the value of goods at different stages of the production process, i.e., work in progress inventory. This gives you better visibility into your production cycle. Reports. Tally Prime offers various reports related to manufacturing, such as production registers, consumption analysis, component analysis, etc. These reports provide insights into production and cost details. Cost allocation. Tally Prime allows you to allocate the cost of production to the finished goods using appropriate costing methods, example, FIFO, LIFO, average cost. Finalizing production. When the production is complete, you can adjust inventory quantities and values using appropriate vouchers, such as Stock Journal Voucher or Inventory Voucher.